Can you imagine an AI initiative that brings all of these companies together, not to build the next flashy app, but to stop the next cyber disaster? That's what caught my attention about Anthropic's new announcement, Glasswing. At first, it sounds like another big AI launch. But when you actually look closer, this is really about AI security. So I'm reading through this and I pause. Because Anthropic isn't just saying that our model is better, they are saying that their new frontier model, Claude Mythos Preview, is now powerful enough to find serious vulnerabilities in real AI systems. They didn't test Claude Mythos on toy problems. They put it into real-world security scenarios. Instead of asking, can you write code? They asked, can you break this system and then explain how to fix it? Claude Mythos was able to find high-severity vulnerabilities in real softwares. We're talking about systems that people actually rely on, whether it's browsers, operating systems, or open-source infrastructure. And these weren't obvious bugs. It could trace how data moves through codebase, spot subtle logic flaws, and then clearly explain why the vulnerability exists. That part really stood out to me. Because finding a bug is one thing, but explaining it so a developer can actually go ahead and fix it, that's a completely different level. Now here is where it gets even more interesting. In some of their tests, Claude Mythos didn't just find problems. It could identify the vulnerability, suggest a fix, and sometimes even generate a patch. Anthropic also tested the risk side of Claude Mythos. Because if a model can find vulnerabilities this well, what happens if somebody uses it in the wrong way? So they ran controlled experiments to see this. How far the model could go in discovering new vulnerabilities, whether it could assist in exploit-like reasoning, and how well their security systems could actually prevent the misuse. Claude Mythos isn't potentially useful for security. It's already effective right now. And that is why Project Glasswing exists. It is not a product launch. It is actually a coordination effort. It is to bring together major companies and security teams and use models like Claude Mythos defensively in order to find and fix critical issues before attackers use it to do that. AI is no longer just helping us build software faster. It is now powerful enough to break it and even secure it. And from this point on, the question isn't just how smart is the model. It's actually who gets to use it first. Now think about it.